Hello, this video is about how to install the GFAKER control app. If you have received your order you can continue this video, if not, just visit our website gfaker.com to get more information. Okay, just visit the install page we provide with your iPhone or iPad. And push the button to install. We can switch to the home screen. Just wait a minute. Waiting for the install processing done. Go to the Settings, General, Device Management. Choose to trust the app. OK, now the GFAKER device control app is installed. Now let's plug the GFAKER device into your iPhone. Allow all this. Agree the user agreement. We can choose a place. Try to press the lock position button, the blue dot proof that it works well.